everyone, welcome back to a new video, and today I will tell you few facts about the Spanish language, so stay tuned. Spanish is a Romance language, which means it is a modern language that evolved from Vulgar Latin between the 3rd and the 8th century. Vulgar Latin was the spoken Latin back in the day, and other examples of Latin languages are French, Italian, Portuguese, Catalan and Romanian. That brings me to my next point. If you excel in one Romance language, it will be very easy for you to learn another one. For instance, if you learn Spanish, it will be very easy for you to learn Portuguese. For reference, look at the map of the Iberian Peninsula. Iberian Peninsula consists of two countries, Spain and Portugal, and both the languages are very similar. Some of the examples are the word hello in Spanish and Portuguese is hola. Word for table is mesa in both the languages. Number 5, cinco is same in both the languages. Color green, verde, and color blue, azul are few examples which tell you that both languages are using some common words. Now you have words that are same but have a different meaning. For instance, polvo in Spanish would mean dust, but in Portuguese it would mean an octopus. Propina in Spanish would mean tip, but propina in Portuguese would mean bribe. Now you can understand that Portuguese speaking people can easily understand a person who is speaking Spanish. He would find it a little difficult to understand, but he will be able to guess what the other person is trying to say, and it's the same case for Italian. My next point is the influence of Arabic on Spanish. If we look at the map of Spain once again, we will be able to see that the African continent is just 14.5 kilometers away from Spain, and it is only divided by the Mediterranean Sea. Spain was under the Arab rule from 8th till the 15th century, almost 800 years, and during this time Spanish was highly influenced by the Arabic language. They say there are around 4,000 Spanish words that are of Arabic origin. The definite article el in Spanish is al in Arabic. Aceituna is aceitun in Arabic. Ojalá is inshallah in Arabic, and azúcar is azúcar in Arabic. Spanish is the second most spoken language in the world. They don't only speak Spanish in Spain but also in Latin America, and the reason behind it is because just like the British came to India, Spanish people went towards west and they colonized most of the American continent, leaving few countries, Canada and Brazil. Brazil was captured. What we know of Brazil today was captured by the Portuguese Empire. Up from United States of America down till Argentina, take any country, Colombia, Uruguay, Argentina, Mexico, Costa Rica, Panama, all of them they speak Spanish. Spanish is not an official language in United States of America, but it is the native language of around 41 million people of that country. Each Spanish speaking country has its own accent and words that are different from each other. Spain has its own accent, Colombia has its own accent, and Argentina has its own accent. All of them use the same language, but you would find words that are only native to that country. For example, colloquially, money in Spain is called as pasta, but at the same time in Latin America, the word for money is plata. The word for friend in Spanish is amigo, but in Colombia they use another word, parce, which means friend. Double L and Y have a y sound in Spanish generally, but in Argentina double L and Y have a sh sound. For example, yo will be sho in Argentina, llamar would be llamar in Argentina. A sentence like my name is Lakshay, yo me llamo Lakshay would be yo me llamo Lakshay in Argentina. And then you would find other countries with their words and their different accents, and it will be all across the American continent. Thank you guys for watching the video. I hope all these facts were useful. Till the next one, adios.